Hi and welcome you all to Learn Everything Online Hobby channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful flower pot and that too with different colors. So let's see. So for making this beautiful flower pot, we will be using these craft papers of different colors. I'm using 3-4 shades of different colors for making this flower pot. Total I'm using 10 sheets of A4 size of standard paper, which is of 21 cm by 29 cm, good quality of craft papers. So these are the total 10 sheets of different colors. I'm using small cardboard piece for base of flower pot, then marker pen, good quality of glue, pencil and my scale. So let's begin. So let's start with one paper. Now for this paper, we have to fold this paper. Now turn this side to this way and also on opposite side you have folded this way, this turn opposite and you have to fold it this way. So we are not doing actually much thing. What we are doing is we are creating this paper into 4 parts. So this paper is coming into 4 parts and we have made a fold in such a way that this is like M shape fold, this way, right? So just keep it open end on this side, close end on this side. Now what we have to do is we have to divide this paper into 6 parts. So how to divide it into 6 parts? First, very simple, just fold it to its opposite corner this way. So it is divided into 2 parts. Now each part has to be divided into 3 parts. Now how to divide this particular part into 3 parts? So remember, just fold this end and fold it in such a way that when you fold, this portion and this portion should appear to be of equal dimension. So we can take a judgment, it should not be exactly. So you can now understand that this is equal and this is equal. So fold it and then fold it again inside. So if you see, this gets divided into 3 parts. Let's do it for the other end. Just fold this end so that this folded portion and remaining portion will look of equal size. So you can take a judgment from your, so you can take very well judgment. Fold it and again fold it inside. Right? So your paper is now divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Now let's draw a shape of half shape of flower pot which we wanted to create. So let's first draw with pencil. If this is the top side, so just keep 1 centimeter, draw a line near to half. Let's make same base, just 1 centimeter from the bottom near to half of your paper. Now let's draw a shape of flower pot. I will do this way. Let's mark it with marker pen for our better understanding. Now remember, we will take a slight cut on this side. A slight cut so that paper will get separated. Let's mark that also. So if you want just a marginal cut to this edge, hardly 1 or 2 mm, hardly 1 or 2 mm. So this much, very small marginal cut on this edge. The idea is to make all these papers separate. So from this side it will automatically get separated, from this side it should get separated, And also remember, we have made a folds, 6 folds. So if you see this flower pot, now it has a lines. Let's mark a front line here. This is line number 1. This is line number 2. This is line number 3, 4 and 5. So I will show you what is the use of these lines, but before that let's make a cut. Let's cut this shape, as well as let's cut the entire paper with this small margin. Now let's cut this particular margin also. So idea of cutting margin is we are getting these pieces now separately. So we will get 4 such pieces, right, out of one paper. Now what we have to do about this marking, what I was telling you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to make 2 pairs, like pair 1 and pair 2. Now remember, while making pair, we will paste on exactly number 2 and number 4. So each pair we will be making use of glue to put it at the groove of number 2 and the groove of number 4. So let's apply glue here and let's paste these together. Align them properly. Likewise, let's paste it for here. So we have created these 2 pairs out of one paper. 2 pairs out of one paper. We'll make use of this particular piece as a template while creating the same shape out of remaining papers. So let's do that. We will make use of total 9 papers. So we will make use of total 9 paper. One paper we have already created a pair. So 8 more papers. So we have already taken 10 papers. So out of which I am keeping this black paper aside. This black paper we will use to make a center roll of our flower pot. So this black paper I am keeping it aside. And for remaining these 8 papers, let's make 16 pairs. So we will have total these 2 pairs and 16 pairs from these 8 papers. So in totality we will have totally 18 pairs. So let's begin. So let's see how to make another pair using this as a template. So I am already having one paper. I have folded this paper into the folds which I have shown you earlier. So this paper is of 4 parts and I have divided this folds into 6 equal parts, and open side on right hand side, closed side on left hand side. First let's mark a line just 1 or 2 mm at a distance from this closed end. Then align this template piece, where align its first fold with the first fold of this paper and align it to the line which is being marked. Once it is aligned, just draw the template . And once the template is ready, you know it well, we have to cut this template. And that's it, 4 pieces are ready. So as we know, we will stick them together. And this pair is ready. Likewise, we have to do it for all papers. So I am ready with these 18 pairs now. Now we have to assemble these 18 pairs together, for which, for assembly or joining 2 pieces together, now we will make use of 1 number, 3 number and 5 number. So we'll apply glue at 1 number, 3 number and 5 number and then paste these pairs together. But let's paste, since we are having multiple colors, let's first arrange colors in alternate order so that our flower pot will look very nice. So if I am taking this color, second color, third color, so I am having these colors. Yellow is of only 2 pairs are there, these are 4 pairs and these are 6 pairs and here also 6 pairs. So we tried to make the arrangement in such a way that different colors will appear in our flower pot. Now just start with this bottom piece and let's apply glue at number 1, number 3 and number 5 and let's stick together these one by one. Once you stick this, again we have to apply glue on 1, 3, 5 and so on. Let's do that. So I'm keeping this in a reverse order. So let's start applying glue. So let's do it for all these 18 pairs. So I'm ready with all pairs together, stick together at 1, 3 and 5th position. Now we have to separate it out. So just lift it and from this close end try to separate it out slowly. Let everything get separated properly. You should be able to see this honeycomb like structure. Now what we have to do is we have to paste this portion also by rotating and pasting it like this. So we have to apply again glue here 1, 3 and 5th and then we have to curl this whole round and paste it together. So let's do. Just keep it for some time, let it get dry properly and paste inside. Now once it is properly dry, just open it slowly. By putting one small cylinder inside, and for making this small cylinder, what we will do, we'll make use of this black paper. Let's cut this black paper into half because our flower pot size is of this size. So we will cut this flower paper into half first. And let's make a cylinder. Since your flower pot is of a smaller size, so we can cut small portion of it. So let's cut a portion centimeter or so, 1.5 centimeter probably. Once it is dry, let's open it up. Now let's put it at the center. So just take this up, make it hollow from both sides. Now we simply has to put one base for this flower pot. So let's cut a circle, not exactly of entire shape, but we can cut it to some extent. So let's take this cardboard, and I am making use of this particularly cellotape. to cut this circle. So I'm marking this circle. So this will act as a base for our flower pot. So we can put this, if it is too big, then let's cut this also to some extent. We simply need to insert it at the center. So let it go a little bit below. Now what we will do that we will apply glue on this and we will stick our flower pot on this base. So let's apply glue. Hold this for some time. So once your base is dry and perfectly ready, your flower pot is ready. I hope you like it, and I'm sure you will definitely love to make it on your own. So keep watching my channel and decorate your home with these beautiful ideas. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and send your feedback in comment section. Also click on bell icon so that you will get the notifications of all upcoming videos. So keep watching. Bye.